Welcome to livingpianos.com. Robert Esser presenting one of the most popular pianos among concert pianists, the Steinway Model B. At just under 7 feet, it provides a rich, rewarding sound that's the closest you can get to the 9-foot concert grand Steinways you see on concert stages the world over, which is why it's the choice in homes of countless concert pianists and people who want to have the experience of a concert-level instrument in their home. And also you find them in recording studios and smaller concert venues. This one was built in 1968 with a fantastic restoration, new Steinway action, gorgeous new pin block, MAPE strings, just like Steinway uses. I'm going to play 3 selections so you can hear this piano, rich, rewarding tone, original Steinway soundboard. Listen to the sound of this piano, starting with some Scarlatti, one of his many sonatas in C major. You might be familiar with this one. Such a great feel, the precise action. As I said, rebuilt with Steinway parts, Steinway hammers for that rich sound. Gorgeous case, also refinished with this classic satin black, sprayed lacquer, hand rubbed. So let's hear some lyricism out of this instrument with the second movement of Mozart Sonata in C major, K330. Every note you plays exactly as you imagine it in your mind before you play it. Because the action is so responsive when you use all Steinway parts on a relatively recent model Steinway. The geometry is correct and everything just plays beautifully. Let's have one last selection with something a little bit more fun and a little bit louder too. The Gollywog's Cakewalk of Debussy. This is the last movement of his Children's Corner Suite. So there's an all-around great Steinway B. If you've been searching for a B, and I know there are many people who try many of them to find one like this, one that has no weakness, from top to bottom, rich tone, even action, and gorgeous to look at. Once again, I'm Robert Escher, and this is Living Pianos, your online piano store. Thanks so much for joining me.